mathematics class of standard 7th. In the previous class already we have seen the definition of rational numbers, and also we have seen equivalent rational numbers, and then also we have seen that positive rational number, negative rational numbers, rational numbers on a number line, rational numbers in a standard form, and also we have seen the comparison of two rational numbers and how to find out the number of rational numbers in between two given rational numbers. So on the basis of all these points what we discussed in the previous class, today we are here to solve the exercise 9.1. Okay, now exercise 9.1. The first main, list 5 rational numbers. List 5 rational numbers between first one is minus 1 and 0, minus 1 and 0. We have to find out 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. If you want 5 rational numbers, as I explained you, we have to multiply these two numbers by 6. Okay. Now this implies that minus 1 into, here minus 1 can be written as 1 also. Rational numbers will be in the form of p by q. 6 by 6. Okay. Then what it will be? See, minus 6 divided by 6 ones are 6, and also 0 by 1. This also will be multiplied by 6 by 6. This is nothing but 6 zeros are 0 by 6. This is nothing but 0 only. Okay. Now we have to write. See, this implies that minus 6 by 6. This indicates, and is smaller than minus 5 by 6. Is smaller than minus 4 by 6, is smaller than minus 3 by 6, is smaller than minus 2 by 6, is smaller than minus 1 by 6, is smaller than 0. Now, which are the, how many rational numbers we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rational numbers in between minus 1. Here minus 6 by 6 is nothing but minus 1 and this is 0. Therefore, this implies that the rational numbers between the 5 rational numbers will write, because they ask for 5 rational numbers. The 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0 are minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6. So this is what method of doing the sum or finding the rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. So I hope you understood. This is the heading, so I am just highlighting it. So next one, the second one, same type, that is minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 and minus 1. Okay. Now the same process will continue now. This implies that minus 2 by 1 into 6 by 6. This is nothing but minus 12 by 6. And also minus 1 by 1 into 6 by 6 is nothing but minus 6 by 6. So now we will write minus 12 by 6. Same, this method only follow. Is smaller than minus 11 by 6. Is smaller than minus 10 by 6. Is smaller than minus 9 by 6. Is smaller than minus 8 by 6, is smaller than minus 7 by 6, is smaller than minus 6 by 6. Here 6 by 6 is nothing but minus 1. minus 12 by 6 is nothing but minus 2. Therefore, next you can write. What we can write? The rational numbers, the 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1 are we can continue here, minus 1 are, can continue here. Which are those? Minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6 and minus 7 by 6. I hope you understood the problem how to do. Now first make second one what over. The same way now I will continue the third one, that is little bit different because both are having the different denominators. They are in the first make only. That is the third one I am going to do. The third one is minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. See here, both are rational numbers of different denominators. First we have to make the same denominator. Here 5 is there, here 3 is there. We have to make same denominator. How to make same denominator? By multiplying 5 with 3, 15. 3 with 5, 15. So here 15 will be the LCM. So now we will do the same thing. See here, minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 into 5 by 5. Now we are making the denominators equal now. Now what happens here? See, minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15. See, here we are getting hardly 1 in between these two. So we want here 5 rational numbers. So what we have to make? We will multiply, otherwise again we will make this with the same number we will multiply. For example, with 4 we will multiply. Okay, with 4 if you multiply, what happens? We will get the 5 or 6 also we can get. With the 6 also we can multiply here. See now, minus 12 by 15 into 5 by 5 we do and minus 10 by 15 into 5 by 5. Okay, now what happened? Minus 60 by 15 5 is 75 and minus 50 by 75. See, nearly we get here 10 rational numbers. Okay, but we want 5 rational numbers, only those we can write here. So this indicates that this is nothing but minus 4 by 5. So this is on the simplification. Minus 4 by 5 is smaller than minus 59 by 75 is smaller than minus 58 by 75. Then is smaller than minus 57 by 75 is smaller than minus 56 by 75. Then is smaller than minus 55 by 75 is smaller than 5 enough for us. So minus 50 by 75 minus 55, 75 is nothing but minus 2 by 3. So therefore this implies that the rational numbers the rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3 are minus 59 by 75, minus 58 by 75, minus 57 by 75, minus 56 by 75, minus 55 by 75. This even in the next step you can simplify and write. This is 5 11s are 5, 15s are 5, 5 ones are 5, here 5 12s are. Like that you can simplify also and write, or like this also you can write. This is what one more method of doing the or finding the rational numbers between two given rational numbers of having different denominators. Then next I am doing, that is fourth one is, see like this, minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. 2 by 3. See, here also different denominators are there. So first we will make the denominator equal, that is minus 1 by 2 into, we will multiply this with 3. It is 6 because the LCM is 6. 1 by 2. Here we can write LCM is equal to 6. So we will make this denominator 6. 1 by 2 into 3 by 3 and 2 by 3 into 2 by 2. Okay. So now what happens? Minus 1 3s are 3 by 6 and 2 2s are 4 by 3 2s are 6. Now this implies that now minus 3 by 6 is smaller than minus 2 by 6 is smaller than minus 1 by 6 is smaller than 0 is smaller than 1 by 6 is smaller than 2 by 6 is smaller than 3 by 6 is smaller than 4 by 6. Okay. Now what is 3 by 6 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 is smaller than 1 by 2 is smaller than, here see minus 2 by 6 you can cancel it, minus 1 by 3 is smaller than minus 1 by 6 is smaller than 0 is smaller than 1 by 6 is smaller than 2 by 6 is 1 by 3 is smaller than 3 by 6 is 1 by 2 is smaller than 2 by 3. This is also one of the methods. So therefore the rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 6, 0, 1 by 6, 1 by 3. We wanted 5 now, only 5 you can write, remaining you can leave it off. This is what the method of doing the exercise, or the finding the method of finding rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay, next we take this next main and continue. See students, the second main. Write 4 rational numbers in each of the following patterns. Here one pattern is given to you. Next 4 we have to write seeing these 4. Okay. Now how do we get this? See, first one is, this implies that minus 3 by 5. How do we get minus 6 by 10? By multiplying by 2 by 2. This is nothing but minus 6 by 10. Okay. Then how do we get the third one? Minus 3 by 5 into 3 by 3, we will get minus 9 by 15. Okay. Next, third one, fourth one, how do we get? Minus 3 by 5 into 4 by 4 is nothing but minus 12 by 20. The same way, next one will continue, that is minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 5, that is minus 15 by 20 we will get. So minus 3 by 5 into 6 by 6 we will get minus 18 by 5 6 is the 30. No, here 5 by 5, 5 5 is a 25 here. Already 20 we got here. Then 60. Then minus 3 by 5 into 7 by 7 we will get minus 21 by 35. So up to minus 12 by 20. Next 4 we have to write. So now 1, 2, 3. One more minus 3 by 5 into 8 by 8. That is minus 24 by 40. So which are the next 4 patterns? Now we will write that only. So this implies that minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15 and minus 12 by 20, then minus 15 by 25, minus 18 by 30, then minus 21 by 35, then minus 24 by 40 is the pattern that this is the pattern. Up to here they have given. This is first one, second one, third one and the fourth one that we have written now. Okay, the same way now we will go for the second one, that is second minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 12. See now, this implies that minus 1 by 4 is multiplied by 2 by 2. So this is nothing but minus 2 by 8 we have got. Then the same way minus 1 by 4 is multiplied by 3 by 3. We will get minus 3 by 12. Okay, next 4 we have to write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 we have to write. The same way minus 1 by 4 is multiplied by 4 by 4. We will get minus 4 by 16. And minus 1 by 4 is multiplied by 5 by 5. We will get minus 5 by 20. Then the same way minus 1 by 4 is multiplied by 6 by 6, we get minus 6 by 24, and also minus 1 by 4 is multiplied by 7 by 7, we get minus 7 by 28. So how to continue that pattern? This implies that minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 12, next 3 after 3 by 12 here, see, minus 4 by 16, minus 5 by 20, okay, then minus 6 by 24, minus 6 by 24, minus 7 by 28 are the required pattern for the given pattern, okay. This is what the second one. The same way we will do that third and fourth also. So I hope you might have been taken this. So third one. Third one is minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12, 3 by minus 18, 4 by minus 24. Next 4 we have to write. See, this implies that minus 1 by 6 is multiplied by 2 by 2. So this is nothing but 2 ones are here. We will write 2 ones are 2. And here 6 twos are minus 12. So the same way, instead of minus 1 by 6 we can write here 1 by minus 6. Then we will get like this. The same way 1 by minus 6 is multiplied by 3 by 3. We will get 3 by minus 18. then 1 by minus 6 is multiplied by 4 by 4, we will get 4 by minus 24. Then the next 1 by minus 6 is multiplied by 5 by 5, we will get 5 by minus 30. Then 1 by minus 6 is multiplied by 6 by 6, we will get 6 by minus 36. So 1 by minus 6 is multiplied by 6 by 6, we will get 6 by minus 36. See, after the 3 by 18, here see 4 by 24 is there. After 4 by 24 we got now 2. Still 2 more we have to get. So 1 by minus 6 into 7 by 7 is 7 by minus 42. Just you have to multiply and keep here. And then 1 by minus 6 is multiplied by 8 by 8 is 8 by minus 48. So what is the required pattern for us? So this implies that minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12, 3 by minus 18, 4 by minus 24, 5 by here minus 24, 5 by minus 30, 6 by minus 36, and then 7 by minus 42, 8 by minus 48 is the required pattern. In this up to 4 by minus 24 they have given. So this is what the required pattern. Okay, this is what third one. Then in the same way, fourth one is there in the same way. That is, I hope this all you have completed. Fourth one is minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3, sorry 2 by minus 3 here, 4 by minus 6, 6 by minus 9, next 4 we have to write. Okay, now the first one is minus 2 by 3. Okay, to get this same one like this, we have to multiply by 1 by 1. So this we have to multiply by here. To get this minus 3, 2 by minus 3, both are same. So this is nothing but 2 by minus 3. Now 2 by minus 3 into 2 by 2 is nothing but 4 by minus 6. So next one is 2 by minus 3 into 3 by 3 is 6 by minus 9. Next 2 by minus 3 into 4 by 4 is 8 by minus 12. So 2 by minus 3 into 5 by 5 is 10 by minus 15. See, 6 by minus 9. After that 1 and 2 we got. Still 2 more we have to get. 2 by minus 3 into 6 by 6 is 12 by minus 18. Then 2 by minus 3 into 7 by 7 is 14 by minus 21. Therefore the required pattern is minus 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3 into 4 by minus 6, sorry not into here, comma, then 6 by minus 9. The next required pattern is 6 by minus 9, afterwards 8 by minus 12, and then 10 by minus 15, okay, then 12 by minus 18, and then 14 by minus 21 are the required pattern for the given pattern. So this is what up to second main I completed. So the next main Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to, just one I will do, remaining you have to do. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 by 7. See here, in the third and fourth main, I am going to do just one. You have to continue for the remaining. Okay. First one, minus 2 by 7. We have to write 4 equivalent rational numbers. How to do? This implies that minus 2 by 7 into 2 by 2 is nothing but minus 4 by 14. Then minus 2 by 7 into 3 by 3 is minus 6 by 21. Then minus 2 by 7 into 4 by 4 is nothing but minus 8 by 28. Then minus 2 by 7 into 5 by 5 is nothing but minus 10 by 35. So which are the equivalent fractions now? This implies that minus 2 by 7, minus 4 by 14, minus 6 by 21, minus 8 by 28, minus 10 by 35 are equivalent rational numbers. Are equivalent rational numbers. Okay, this is what first one. Remaining two you have to do your own. Okay, next fourth main I am continuing here. See, fourth main. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers. Draw the number line. Draw the number line. One number line I am going to draw. Remaining all you have to draw. The first one you do 3 by 4. You know already I explained. Second one I will do here. Remaining 3 you have to do. Minus 5 by 8. As I told you already, see, draw the number line like this with your sharp pencil. Then this is a reference point. Little bit it will take more here in the negative side because minus 5 by 8 is here. Here just 1 or 2 will do. You see, in the 1 unit we have to make 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will do. That means this is 1. That is nothing but 8 by 8. So this is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. The same way we will come this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 means here it is minus 8 by 8. So here minus 1 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus 6 by 8, minus 7 by 8. Now minus 5 by 8 we have to look at. Where is that? See, this is the minus 5 by 8. So what is this? Minus 5 by 8 we have located in on the number line. So this is what the method. The remaining 3 by 4 minus 7 by 4 and 7 by 8 you have to locate on the board. This is what exercise 9.1 part 1 it is. So in the next video I am going to continue part 2. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and